Hello my fellow YouTubers and welcome back to my channel, and if you're just tuning in, my name is Daniel and I hope you enjoy this video. So as a content creator, I feel like there's certain limitations that hinder my ability to create quality content for you guys to enjoy. But not only for you guys to enjoy, but to want you to come back and watch more of the videos that I create. See, I believe that I need the latest and greatest equipment to be able to create the content for you guys. But that's not the case. I have a GoPro, I have an iPhone, and I have editing software. So those are the three main things that I need. But watching YouTube videos and seeing new and great equipment, I have to restrain myself from being like, ooh, I want to go out and buy that. But on the off chance that I do make quality videos and you guys like them, moving forward I do have a goal, and that is to reach 500 subscribers by the end of the year. And that's where everybody that comes to my channel comes in. If you will, and you enjoy my videos, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment to let me know if you guys enjoy my videos or if there's something that I can do better to create content for you guys to enjoy. So I know if I'm doing a good job as a content creator. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Deuces.